What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KixNewEra here with I want you to see my address. Well, it don't even matter, it's a P.O. box. But anyways, 2 unboxings. I'm gonna do the reviews later. I just wanna unbox, see what we got. Let's see what this is. I don't know what this is. I know what it could be. It's either the FAMILIA foams, the Paul Bunyan Blue Ox joints, or the Air Maxes. Oh, nope. It's the SBs. The FAMILIA joints. These joints are crazy. Boom. Woo. 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 Crazy. Sleepers, man. I love sleepers because you guys be sleeping on them and I'm just keeping them like, whoo. The suede is soft. Whoo. These joints are hard, man. Let's open this other joint up. And these should be the Independence Day Air Maxes. And they are. Boom. Okay. Got the leather in the toe box. It's a quick unboxing. I wish this wasn't white though. This top of these little waves right here. Wish they weren't white, but gum bottom. Well, that's part of reviewing the shoe. Yeah, man. A couple of dope sleepers. You know, these sold out on other sites. They didn't sell out on Nike. They sold out on other sites, so. Boom. Boom. Sleepers, man. Y'all continue to sleep. I'm gonna just keep copping these sleepers, man. These joints are beautiful. Review coming soon. Should be coming later today or tomorrow. It's your boy KixNewEra. I'm out.